Well, hello teacher. Good afternoon. Right now I'm going to talk about the most important person in my life. Uh, my mother, her name is Maria. She's 57 years old. Her eyes is brown. Her hair is black and curly. Her skin is brown then. And also, she is a bit shabby before she go. I she was even more so. Around 1 year ago, uh, she's more disease be- because she go to the hospital and about situation is very difficult for my family and me, and at the moment, well, she is well. Some of its characteristics about I choose at the first I choose this person because it's very essential in my life. She has always been with me through good times and bad. At all times, she has shown me his unconditional love and support. Although sometimes I disobedient, sometimes, not always. She always with me, and usually my mom is angry when we do things on we don't do in the way she wants. But sometimes we when she's happy, and it's not all the days. My mother is always very delicate, loving to a certain extent, and strict, and he's often very helpful and to people in need. For example, other family need food and clothes. She's help with with. And other goals about her. And she posts a gift of predicting what happens to people, but saying actions, it is something that I admire a lot about her. Um, it's very fantastic characteristics about she because it's very important. For example, one day tell me pass other thing and other day can pass with it, and because the time it's all for me presentation, and thanks watching teacher, and thank you.